A common mistake that I see people make is that they test to make sure something works. So then the question they're asking themselves is, how do I test to make sure this works? However, I believe this is the wrong question to ask yourself. That's because asking yourself this question means that you fall prey to something called confirmation bias, and this is a type of cognitive bias I'd like to go into. First, let's ask ourselves, what is a cognitive bias? A cognitive bias is a systematic error in thinking that occurs when people are processing and interpreting information in the world around them. It affects the decisions and judgments that they make. While the human brain is powerful, it is subject to limitations. And cognitive biases result from your brain's attempt to simplify its information processing. Often, these biases work as a rule of thumb to make sense, or to help you make sense of the world around you, and to help you reach decisions in a relatively efficient manner. A rather common cognitive bias is confirmation bias. This occurs when you favor information that confirms your previously existing beliefs or biases. By not seeking out objective facts, you start to interpret information in such a way that supports your existing belief. Therefore, you only remember details that confirm what you already believe, and as a result, you're also ignoring information that challenges your beliefs. Now, you may be wondering, what has this got to do with software testing? Now, let's look at a software testing definition by Claire Reckless. According to Claire Reckless, the process of testing should be an investigation. We may not always know what the outcome will be, but it's our job to uncover information which helps people make decisions. The key part of this definition I would like to highlight is it's our job to uncover information which helps people make decisions. If you are influenced by confirmation bias, then this can prevent you from uncovering useful information, and therefore the information that you provide may not help people make well-informed decisions. So next time you are testing, don't ask yourself the wrong question by saying, how can I test to make sure this works? But instead, ask yourself, how can I uncover information to help people make informed decisions?